If you want to record screen on CMF Phone 2 Pro, and then first of all we're gonna go to the control center or quick settings, so we can swipe twice from the top like this. And now over here we can search for screen record. In my case it is over here, so I can tap on this button in order to open the recorder panel. Here I can choose whether I want to record a single app or the entire screen. And if you choose entire screen, you can also show or hide touches. Besides that, we can enable or disable the option to record audio. We can also tap on record audio in order to switch between the device audio, microphone, and both. So you can decide what audio you want to record. And after that, if you press start recording, you should be able to see the countdown at the top if you have space, of course. But essentially you will also have a notification if you are if the screen is being recorded. So once you are done with the video recording or screen recording, actually, we can go to notifications and we can press stop over here, or you can go back to the button in the control center over here and you can tap as well in order to stop recording. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!